G'day everyone, welcome down to Long Island Reserve here in Murray Bridge. Let's suss out where the water's at, shall we? So yeah, there you go. Interesting. Oh Jesus Christ, I'm bloody walking in it. At least the bench isn't under yet. Got close. It's been up further. It's dropped obviously by the looks of it. Who knows? Damn. There you go. This is, hang on. Apparently I was still zoomed in. This is me sitting on the bench. Awesome. Huh, wow. Jetty. Gone. Jesus. Hold it. There you go. Yeah, I would not be eating any of the bloody redfin or yellow belly I catch out of the river at the moment. Yeah. Alley-oop. Boat ramp's pretty much under. Jesus. Just over 1.6. Way worse than that up Riverland. How you going?
Not bad.
Welcome to the Narooma wetlands. Look at that, she's way up. Even, I don't know how good that works, but yeah, I am only using my phone. Christ. It's way up from last time I was down here. Piss off, Mozzie. Yeah, so there you go, that's the update on Long Island Reserve here in Murray Bridge. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, hit the bell, and yeah, I'll catch you in the next one. Alright, peace and tight lines.